picking it off. Vikings win it by 10. How about the Ravens? They just stayed out on the West Coast.
Yeah,
they went from Denver to Oakland. Derek Carr had that bad hand after the injury against Cincinnati on opening day, but looking just fine, thank you. Amari Cooper, 68 yards from the score.
Rookie from Alabama. He's going to be a great one.
Remember, they didn't even run a play in Cincinnati territory until the fourth quarter last week, so getting off to a fast start was nice. Fourth quarter, Ravens ball, down 30-23. 4th and 1, Joe Flacco, we're just plunging forward, taking the shove. Moving on with 8 minutes to go. Ben Lorenzo, Taliaferro, back healthy, nice cut. And we're tied at 30. Next Raiders possession. Carr underthrows it and picked off by Will Hill.
Somebody tackle him.
Carr has receivers this year.
So with less than 5 minutes to go, the Ravens are in good shape. Now 3rd and 8. And you had Steve Smith just take it down.
Only 1 foot in. This is not college. You got to have them both in.
So they had to settle for a Justin Tucker field goal and a 3-point lead, but that keeps the door open for the Raiders. Trying to get Jack Del Rio his first win as a head coach. Carr. Michael Crabtree, look at the tipping toes.
Good job, Crab.
You add Crab and Amari Cooper to that receiving core, and now you're legit.
He had 9 grabs, $111, and a score. 2 plays later, under 45 ticks to go. Carr looking for Michael Rivera, and it is picked by Will Hill again. However,
laundry on the field.
Hold the phone.
Don't worry about the fumble. It's defensive holding. So the Raiders keep the ball. And so, Carr, who are you going for? Of course, that would be Seth Roberts. Why wouldn't you go for him?
Go win a game.
Carr threw for 351 and 3 scores, and Oakland wins a barn burner.